How to change your email address in TurboTax. So first you want to head to the TurboTax main website and make sure to sign into your account. Now from the left panel right here, you want to click on the Intuit account option or button. And this should take you to your Intuit account manager. And once you're signed in and verified yourself, you can basically click on the sign in and security from the left panel. And in here, you should find all your info. Now to change your email address, you want to click on the email address field and type your new email here, and then just press the save button, and you might need to confirm your new email address, and then it will update on your account. Now you might also need to change the user ID if it's using your old email. So you can simply type your new email here and type it again in the second field and then press save to update your user ID. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.